Hi everyone, welcome to the video. When everyone making videos like Coolify is best, like Coolify with Hostinger, Coolify with Hazner, but no one talking about is it really best? Like, is it really replaceable for Vercel or Netlify or not? So today I will show you the truth. Yes. So first we'll go through the blog that I write or published last year, September 9. It's about self-hosting with Coolify versus Vercel. Why if Next.js projects return to Vercel? Because I'm using Next.js all the time. When I launched the pro version of UI layout, I thought, okay, Vercel is not cheaper, right? The price is like $20 per month, and each functions and all increase the prices little bit. So I thought, okay, let's try Coolify it first. So I bought KVM4 with 4 BCPU and 6 GB RAM. I thought it's okay because it will definitely handle the two projects that time I have. One for US Layout Pro and another one for Repository. Okay, yeah, hosting these two projects in the VPS. Along with UI Layouts Pro, the open source project I have, this one. So this one is perfect. Like now, $10 per month is okay for me. And then if I show you, the aim was low monthly cost and complete control and a modern alternative to managed platform. And Coolify is powerful platform, but for modern Next.js application, the hidden cost of self-hosting outweighs the advantages. So if we go to the performance, here's comes the difference. The site feels so slow. Page load was very slow. On the other hand, on Vercel, the same code base was very fast. I mean, Next.js built by Vercel, they optimize the platform with a global edge network. This allows them to serve the static pages assets from a location closest to the user. The single VPS serves every request from a single location, which introduce noticeable latency. So there's a big dependency issue that I feel. The code was migrated from Codite to CKey with REI code for code highlighting in MDX file. Vercel handled the new version really perfectly. On the Coolify VPS, the build failed with an error. This one, okay, require of ES module not supported. A conflict between the modern ES modules and the older CommonJS build context. And the troubleshooting took an entire day, okay. I think it took 2 days. I think downgrading the dependency didn't work. On Vercel, dependency resolution is solved problem. On self-hosted platform, this can become a significant project because it definitely take tons of time. It feel like you are working on a new project. And the environment variable that I never expected, because it's simply the environment variable and it should work in every single place. Like what if I deploy Netlify, Vercel, Cloudflare, it should work properly. But in Coolify, the difference is the private key frustration. With Vercel, you can just paste the key into environment variable like cloud from private key. On VPS, this format didn't work. So the fix involved manually extracting the key in a server script. So you are not what I call using ENB for private key, which is a huge security issue, right? And the build limits. So build limit is basically you cannot host or deploy 2 applications at a time. And the slow performance on VPS, I already said. And the price tag. So the surprise, this is a surprise, and surprise. So the thing is, in VPS, if I show you the pricing is 9.99, like which is like $10 per month, and I was like damn okay with it because it basically saving like $10. But in VPS, look cheaper for first month. After a month, it start with 70.99 month. I mean $70.99. So I'm spending $70 or you can say $80, which is only $2 cheaper than Vercel, and I'm spending that money, but I'm facing all this issue, right? So then I realized I have to go to Vercel. But here's the twist, okay? That time my app UI Layouts Pro and Repository and UI Layouts is not growing that much, so I'm using Vercel free tier. It's really working for me. So I'm spending $0 in that time. But when I shift a VPS, I have to spend $20 per month. I mean, not 20, $80 per month. So choose your deploy or hosting platform wisely. So when I choose VPS is basically I was launching UI Layers Pro. So I thought, okay, it's time to purchase something so that the user don't feel blocking or feel any issues, right? In Vercel free tier, I can also do this because my app is not growing. So it will definitely working out. And it's worked really well that time. In this video, I show you why my BIP was not working. If you are using different library or framework, then I think it will work. Yeah, it's up to you. If you're using Next.js, then I think Vercel is the best way to deploy your app. That's it. In next video, I will show you how you can decrease the Vercel pricing. Bye bye.